If you are someone who is constantly suffering from high amount of uric acid levels in your blood, and to control this you have taken lots of measures, such as you have increased your physical activity, you have quit smoking and alcohol permanently, you have cut down your red meat intake or protein intake, and you are also taking allopathic medications pretty much on time. In spite of taking all these measures, if your uric acid is constantly increasing, then this is the right video for you to understand what could be the possible reason behind the same. So number one reason is that you could be having a diabetes or you are obese. That means you are overweight. So in both the cases, if you are having high amount of weight or you are having a diabetes, then in such cases there is a high amount of insulin resistance is present in your body, and due to this insulin resistance your uric acid is constantly increasing. Apart from this, if your kidney function and liver function is compromised, then also you can suffer from high amount of uric acid in your blood. That's because our liver does metabolism function, right? So if liver is having lot of inflammation or liver is congested due to the high amount of toxins in your blood, then also you will experience high uric acid. And kidney, what it does, kidney removes the waste material from our body. So if your kidney is not functioning like a normal person, then also your uric acid will increase, because now kidney is unable to throw uric acid from your body. Apart from all these health conditions, if you are on certain medications, such as you are consuming aspirin, you are on immunosuppressant, or you are taking diuretic medicines, then these medicines can also give you high amount of uric acid in your blood. So now what can be done to control the same? You are on diabetes, you cannot quit the allopathic medicine, and whatever could be the reason, then here is my one simple suggestion to you, is that take a help of ayurveda. Because in ayurveda we will restore your liver and kidney function to the normality, so that your liver and kidney will function normally, right? Apart from this, if you are taking any kind of a diuretic medicine or you are on immunosuppressant, maybe due to you are suffering from allergies, or unfortunately you are going through any kind of a cancer treatment, then in such cases also we can increase your immunity naturally, so that you do not have to take such kind of a medication, or its dose can be reduced further. So these are some of the important actions or steps you can take to control your uric acid in your blood. Hope this video helps. Thank you.